Hello students, now I am going to explain 8th class maths chapter number 1 rational numbers. So listen some definition children. So numbers are expressed by means of figures 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0 called digits. Out of these 0, this 0 is called insignificant digit, whereas others are called significant digits. Next definition children, numerals. A group of figures representing a number is called numeral. Means all numbers 2, 2019, 2021, etc. All numbers are called numerals. So numbers are divided into following types. Natural numbers children. Numbers which we use for counting the objects are known as natural numbers. Numbers which we use for counting the objects are known as natural numbers. So natural numbers are denoted by capital N children. So capital N is equals to, this is curly brackets. So 1, 2, 3, so on children. So smallest natural number is 1. Biggest natural number we cannot say, it is undefined children. Why? Because it may be 2021, it may be 10 lakhs, 10 billions, any number may. Next, whole numbers children. Whole numbers, when numbers we include 0, when numbers we include 0 and natural numbers, it is known as whole numbers. Whole numbers are denoted by W children. So W is equals to 0, 1, 2, so on children. Smallest whole number is 0. Here also biggest whole number we cannot say children, it is undefined. Next definition children, integers. The set of numbers which consists of whole numbers and negative numbers is known as set of integers. The set of numbers which consists of whole numbers and negative numbers is known as set of integers children. So integers are denoted by Z or I. Z means Zanel, it is a scientific name children. So Z or I is equals to so on minus 2 comma minus 1 comma 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma so on. So I already told positive and negative numbers including 0. It is known as integers children. Next, rational numbers. The numbers which can be written in the form of p by q are known as rational numbers, means in form of fractions, so are known as rational numbers children. Rational numbers are denoted by capital Q. So capital Q is equals to p by q such that p comma q belongs to z and q is not equals to 0. Q is not equals to 0. Here the symbol indicates such that this symbol indicates belongs to children, so that only I have written here, means such that, and this indicates belongs to. Example 5 by 9 comma minus 3 by 4 etc. Next, Venn diagram children. Natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers. Here bottom to top all conditions are true children, but from top to bottom all conditions are false. See here children, every natural number is a whole number. Why? Because whatever natural numbers are there, see here, whatever natural numbers are there, that all natural numbers are there in whole numbers children, and 0 is extra. Condition is satisfied. But if you see from top to bottom children, every whole number is not a natural number children. Why? Because whole number starts from 0, 1, 2, 3. Natural number starts from 1, 2, 3 so on. So here 0 is missing children, that's why every whole number is not a natural number. Next, every whole number is an integer children. Every whole number is a integer. See here, whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3 so on. Integers also it starts, it is there, and negative numbers are extra. So every whole number is a integer children, but every integer is not a whole number children. Every integer is not a whole number. Why? Because in integers negative numbers and positive numbers including 0 are there, but in whole numbers negative numbers are missing. That's why condition is failed. Every integer is not a whole number children. Next, every integer is a rational number children. Every integer is a rational number, but every rational number is not an integer children. Why? Because in rational numbers are in the form of p by q, but integers we are not having in p by q form. So in this way we will learn, children. Next, coming to the properties of rational numbers under addition, children. Properties of rational numbers under addition. First one, closure or closure property. If a comma b belongs to q, then a plus b also belongs to q. Means sum of two rational numbers is a rational number. So you can take any examples, children. We will see one by one. Any numbers you can take. So a is equals to -2 and b is equals to 1 by 4. But you should take up to rational numbers only. Any numbers means don't take root values. So don't take irrational numbers and ask it is not coming. You should take positive and negative numbers, otherwise fractions. So here example 1 I have taken a equal to -2, b equal to 1 by 4, children. So here a plus b I want to find. So -2 plus b value is how much? 1 by 4. So here nothing is there, children. Denominator means 1. Here 4 is the denominator, children. So 1 comma 4 LCM is 4. So otherwise you can do cross multiplication. So -2 into 4 plus 1 I wrote as it is, children, by 4. So -2 into 4 is how much? -8, children. Right, plus 1 as it is. So big number is having negative sign. So answer will come in negative. So 8 minus 1 is 7 by 4. Overall answer is -7 by 4. That also belongs to q, children. So here why I have taken -2, children? Every integer is also a rational number or not. So that's why I have taken. Why? Because -2 can be written as -2 by 1. Means it belongs to q. That's why here strictly condition is there, children. Next example I have taken a equal to 1 3 by 4 comma b is equals to 5 by 7. I have taken here mixed fraction, children. We have to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction, children. So how to convert, children? Here, so write this one as it is into 4 plus write 3 as it is plus 3 by 4. 1 into 4 is how much? 4. 4 plus 3 how much? 7 by 4. So a value is 7 by 4. B value is how much? 5 by 7. So a plus b is equals to 7 by 4 plus 5 by 7. So LCM of 4 comma 7 is, children. So here 4 and 7 both not goes in same table, children. So directly you can do multiplication. 4 into 7 how much? 28. So LCM is 28, children. 4 comma 7 LCM. So I wrote this 7 as it is. So whatever number is there here, write the number here 7 plus write this 5 as it is into how much you should write, children? Here whatever number is there, write that number into 4 by 28. So 7 7 how much, children? 7 7 the 49 plus 5 4 the 20. So 49 plus 20 by 28. 49 plus 20 how much, children? 69 by 28. Means it is a rational number or not? So it is a rational number, belongs to q. So third one, a is equals to 4 by 5, b is equals to 11 by 10. So a plus b I want to find, children. So here a value 4 by 5 I have taken plus b value 11 by 10 I have taken. Both are rational numbers only. See here denominator, children. Here 5 is there, 10 is there. So it goes in same table. So do carefully like this. So 5 comma 10 LCM. 5 1 5 2 2 1 So LCM of 5 comma 10 is 5 into 2 is equals to 10. So here write 10. LCM of 5 comma 10 is 10. So write here 4 as it is, children. Whatever number is there, write that. So in 5 table 10 goes how many times? 2 times. Plus write this 11 as it is, children. In 10 table 10 goes how many times, children? 1 time. That's why here I wrote 1 by 10. 4 to the how much? 8. 11 ones are 11 by 10. So 8 plus 11 how much, children? 19. 19 by 10 belongs to q. So it is a rational number. So in this way you can take any number, children, but do it carefully. Why? Because fractions is there. Do it carefully. Next, the second property is under addition associative property. If a comma b comma c belongs to q, then a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. So I have taken a first example like this, children. A is equal to 1, b is equal to -2, c is equal to 1 by 3. So consider a plus b plus c is equal to a value is 1 plus b value is -2 plus c value is 1 by 3 children. So here you should not disturb this bracket 1. Here you should not disturb this starting value. First you should simplify bracket value, then after you should go for before value. So write 1 as it is plus, so here minus 2 into 3 children. Why? Because here denominator nothing is there. So write this 3 here plus write this one as it is by 3. Why? Because LCM is 3. So write 1 as it is plus minus 2 into 3 is minus 6 plus 1 by 3. So 1 write as it is plus minus 6 plus 1. Big number is having negative sign children. So write, so you will get answer in negative. So minus 6 plus 1 is minus 5 by 3. So here write 1 as it is plus into minus how much children? Minus. So 1 minus 5 by 3. So here LCM is how much children? 3. Why? Because here 1 by 1. 1 comma 3 LCM is 3. So here 1 by 1. So write this 1 as it is. So here write this 3 here minus write this 5 as it is by 3. So 1 3 is how much children? 3 minus 5 by 3. So 3 minus 5 how much children? Big number is having negative 1. So we'll get answer in negative. So how much? Minus 2 by 3. Equation number 1. Next consider a plus b plus c children. So a value we have taken 1. B value we have taken minus 2 plus c value we have taken plus 3. So here also first simplify bracket ones. Write this one as it is plus into minus is minus 2 plus 1 by 3. So 1 minus 2 how much children? Big number is having negative sign. So you will get answer in negative. So minus 1 plus 1 by 3. So here LCM is 3 children. So write this minus 1 as it is. Write this 3 here plus write this 1 as it is by 3. So minus 1 into 3 is children minus 3 plus 1 by 3. Minus 3 plus 1 how much children? Minus 2 by 3. Why? Because negative sign is having big number. So from 1 and 2 we got both values are same. Next example, if you take like this children, a equal to minus 3 by 7, b is equal to minus 1 by 3, c is equal to 2 by 5. So consider a plus b plus c equal to a value minus 3 by 7 children plus b value is minus 1 by 3 plus c value is 2 by 5. So write a value as it is plus first to simplify bracket ones. So here 3 comma 5 LCM children, it not goes in same table children. So directly you can multiply 3 into 5 is 15. So LCM of 3 comma 5 is 15 children. So write this minus 1 as it is. So in 15 table, in 3 table 15 goes how many times children? 5 times. So write 5 as it is plus write this 2 as it is. So in 5 table 15 goes how many times children? 3 times. Otherwise you can write this number here, this number here. So write this 3 by 7 as it is plus minus 1 into 5 is minus 5 plus 2 3 is how much? 6 by 15. So minus 5 plus 6, big number is having positive sign children, you will get answer in positive. So minus 5 plus 6 is how much children? 1. So write first term as it is minus 3 by 7 plus 1 by 15. So here also 7 comma 15 LCM is how much? 7 and 15 not goes in same table children. So you can directly multiply 7 into 15 how much? 105. So write 105 as it is children. So write minus 3 as it is. So in 7 table 104 it goes 15 times. Simply you can multiply this here and this number here. So plus write 1 as it is and multiply this number here by 105. So minus 3 into 15 how much? 15 3 are 45 means minus 45 plus 1 7 the 7 children by 105. So minus 45 plus 7 how much children? Big number is having minus symbol. So here 45 minus 7 is 38 means minus 38 by 105. Equation number 1. Next consider a plus b plus c. So a value we have taken minus 3 by 7 plus b value we have taken minus 1 by 3 plus c value we have taken 2 by 5. So first simplify bracket ones. So write this minus 3 by 7 as it is. So whenever minus is there for second and third terms, open the small brackets. Why? Because plus into minus it will become minus. So do carefully while this type of problems are given. So write minus 3 by 7 as it is. Here plus into minus is minus 1 by 3 plus 2 by 5. So here also 7 comma 3 LCM. 7 and 3 not goes in same table. just you can multiply. 7 into 3 is how much? 21. Write 21 as it is. So write minus 3 as it is. So multiply this 3 here, minus write this one as it is, multiply this 7 here by 21 plus 2 by 5. So minus 3 into 3 is how much? 3 3 is 9, means minus 9, minus 1 7 the 7 by 21 plus 2 by 5. So minus 9 minus 7, add two negative integers, children. So don't do your minus into minus. Why? Because most of the students will do your mistake. So we should add here two negative integers, children. So minus 9 minus 7 means write minus as it is. 9 plus 7 is 16, means minus 16 by 21 plus 2 by 5. So here LCM of 21 comma 5 is, both not goes in same table, children. So directly do multiplication. 21 into 5 is 105. So write minus 16 as it is, multiply this 5 here, plus write this 2 as it is, multiply this 21 here by 105. So minus 16 5 the 16 5 the 80. So here minus sign is there, write minus, plus 2 into 21, 21 to the how much? 42 by 105. So here big number is having negative sign, children. Write negative sign as it is. So 80 minus 42 is 38 by 105, means minus 38 by 105. From 1 and 2 we got both are same. So associative property under addition is satisfied. So compulsory should get both same answers. If you are not getting same answers, then you only did the mistake, children. You only did the mistake. If you are not getting both same under addition associative property, means you should get compulsory same. Next property is, children, commutative property. If a comma b belongs to q, then a plus b is equals to b plus a. Then a plus b is equals to b plus a. So here first example I have taken like this, children. A is equals to minus 3. It is a rational number, children. Why? Because minus 3 can be written as minus 3 by 1, means in p by q form. Next b is equals to 5 by 7 I wrote, children. So a plus b is equals to, I have taken a value minus 3 plus b value is 5 by 7. So here denominator is nothing there, means 1 and 7. 1 comma 7 LCM is 7, children. So write minus 3 as it is. So write this 7 here, plus write this 5 here as it is. Why? Because here 7 is there. So minus 3 into 7 is minus 21 plus 5 by 7. So minus 21 plus 5. Big number is having negative sign, children. Write negative. So 21 minus 5 is 16. So minus 16 by 7. Next b plus a, children. So b value we have taken 5 by 7 plus a value we have taken minus 3, children. So write this 5 by 7 as it is, plus into minus is minus 3. So here also LCM is how much? 7 comma nothing is there, means 1. 7 comma 1 LCM is 7. So write this 5 as it is, children. Why? Because 7 is presented here, minus write this 3 as it is, write this 7 here by 7. So write 5 as it is. 3 7 are 21 by 7. So 5 minus 21 means big number is having negative sign, children. So you will get answer in negative. So 5 minus 21 is 16. 21 minus 5 is 16. So overall answer is minus 16 by 7. From 1 and 2 we got same answer, children. So here also you should get compulsorily same answer. If you are not getting a plus b, b plus a same answer, means not getting same means you only did the mistake. Next problem, children. Next example I have taken like this. A equal to 9 by 11, b equal to minus 5 by 7. So a plus b equal to 9 by 11 plus b value is minus 5 by 7. So here write first term as it is 9 by 11, plus into minus is minus 5 by 7. So here 11 comma 7 LCM is, both not goes in same table. Direct multiplication you do, children. 11 7 how much? 77. Write 77 as it is, write this 9 as it is. So write this 7 here, minus write this 5 as it is, write this 11 here by 77. So 9 7s are 63, 5 11s are 55 by 7. So 63 minus 55 is 8 by 77. Equation 1, children. Next b plus a. B value I have taken minus 5 by 7, plus a value I have taken 9 by 11. So here also 7 comma 11 LCM is same, not goes in same table, children. Direct multiplication 7 into 11 is 77. So write this minus 5 as it is, write this 11 here, plus write 9 as it is, write this 7 here, children, by 77. So minus 5 into 11 is how much? Minus 55, plus 9 7 the 63 by 77. So here big number is having positive signs, children. So your answer also it will come in positive. So 63 minus 55 is 8 by 77. So from 1 and 2 we got the same answer, children. Next, third example I have taken like this, children. A equal to 1 by 4, B equal to 5 by 16. So A plus B equal to 1 by 4 plus 5 by 16, children. So here LCM, how much? 4 comma 16 LCM. 4 and 16 goes in same table, children. So do like this. 4 and 16, 2 to the 2, 8 the, 2 1 the, 2 4 the, 2 1 the, 2 2 the, 2 1 1 comma 1. So here 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Don't write this ones. 2 to the how much, children? 4. 2 to the 4. 4 4 the 16. So LCM of 4 comma 16 is 16. So A plus B is equals to, write this one as it is, children. So in 4 table 16 goes how many times, children? 4 times. So here be careful, children. Whenever same table condition came, is be careful. Write this one as it is. So in 4 table 16 goes how many times, children? 4 times. Plus write this 5 as it is, children. So in 16 table 16 goes how many times, children? 1 time. So 1 4 the 4, 5 1 the 5. 4 plus 5 is how much? 9. That only I have written, children. Equation 1. Next consider B plus A. B value I have taken 5 by 16. A value I have taken 1 by 4. Same. 16 comma 4 LCM is 16. So here write 5 as it is, children. So in 16 table 16 goes 1 time. So that's why I have written 1 here. Plus write this one as it is. So in 4 table 16 goes how many times, children? 4 times by 16. 5 1 the 5 plus 1 4 the 4. 5 plus 4 is 9, children. 9 by 16. From 1 comma 2 we will get both are same answers. Next, additive identity. If A belongs to Q, then A plus 0 is equals to 0 is equals to 0 plus A. So this is additive identity, children. If A belongs to Q, then A plus 0 equal to 0 plus A equal to 0. Means what is the concept, children? If you add any rational number to 0, that number itself you will get the answer. That is the concept, children. So here not 0, children. Here A it will come, children. A plus 0 equal to A is equal to 0 plus A. A plus 0 equal to A equal to 0 plus A. Means what? If you add any rational number to 0, so what is the result you will get? That number itself will get result. Here 0 is called additive identity of A. So I have taken example like children, minus 3 by 2. Means A plus 0 equal to minus 3 by 2 plus 0. So minus 3 by 2 plus 0 is minus 3 by 2 only. This is nothing but A value. Whatever I have taken, that value I got. Similarly, if you take 0 plus A, 0 plus of minus 3 by 2. Plus of minus 3 by 2 means write 0 as it is, plus into minus is minus. 0 minus 3 by 2 is minus 3 by 2. That is nothing but A value. From 1 comma 2 what we will get? A plus 0 equal to A equal to 0 plus A. So this is additive identity, children. Next, additive inverse. If A belongs to Q, then A plus of minus A equal to 0 is equal to minus A plus A. Minus A plus A. So here minus A is called additive inverse of A. Additive inverse of A. Means here if you, whatever you are taking rational number, if you are taking positive rational number means you have to take minus A as reverse sign. Positive if you are taking, you have to take minus A as negative. If you are taking negative rational number means you should take minus A as positive rational number. You see example, children. If A is equals to minus 3 by 2, then so here minus A is called additive inverse of A. So you take example, children. If A equal to minus 3 by 2, then minus A, first find minus A, children. Minus A, what it becomes, children? Write this minus as it is, and A value also minus 3 by 2. Minus into minus plus 3 by 2. So consider A plus of minus A. A value how much, children? Minus 3 by 2 plus minus A value is 3 by 2. So minus 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 cancel means 0. Next consider minus A plus A. So minus A value how much, children? 3 by 2 plus A value how much, children? Minus 3 by 2. So write 3 by 2 as it is, children. Plus into minus is minus 3 by 2. 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 is 0. From 1 and 2 we got both are equal. Next, last property, children, under addition. Distributive property under multiplication over addition. If A comma B comma C belongs to Q, then A into B plus C is equals to AB plus AC. AB plus AC, AB plus AC. So then A is equals to, I have taken example children, A is equals to -3, B is equals to 1/2, C is equals to 7/5. So consider LHS part children, A into B plus C. So A value I have taken -3, B value 1/2 plus C value 7/5. Write this -3 as it is children. So 2, 5 LCM, both not goes in same table. So multiply, 2 into 5 is how much? 10. So write this 1 as it is children. So write this 5 here, plus write this 7 as it is, write this 2 here as it is children by 10. So here write -3 as it is, 1 5 is 5, 7 to the 14 children by 10. Write this -3 as it is, 5 plus 14 how much children? 19. So 19 by 10. So -3 into 19, multiply numerator into numerator. -3 into 19, 19 3 how much? 57. Means here -57 by 10. This is LHS part children, equation 1. Next consider RHS part, AB plus AC. So A value we have taken -3, B value 1/2, plus A value -3, C value 7/5 children. So here -3 into 1, numerator into numerator, -3/2, plus write as it is. So -3 into 7 how much children? Numerator into numerator, -3 into 7 is -21/5. So write first term as it is, plus into minus is -21/5. So 2, 5 LCM is how much children? Both not goes in same table means multiply. So 2 into 5 how much? 10. So write this -3 as it is children. Write this 5 here. Next write minus as it is. Write this 21 as it is. Write this 2 here children by 10. So -3 into 5 is -15. Write this minus as it is. 21 to the how much? 42 by 10. So here also both negative numbers you should add children. So it is addition of two negative integers children. So write minus symbol as it is. 15 plus 42 is 57. So overall answer is -57 by 10 children. From equation 1 and 2 we got both are same. So in this way you should study properties of rational number under addition children. So in next session I will tell properties of rational numbers under subtraction. Okay, bye.